Thanks for joining me again. I'm pleased to be here, and I want to share something that is very sensitive, and this is about love. I want everyone to sit back and meditate and think about the love that God has given us. It's unconditional. We don't have to give anything to get the love that God has given us. God has given us love free of charge. We don't have to pay for this love. We don't have to work for this love. It's just there. Like, really, God loves us unconditionally. God just loves us the way we are, without anything. He just loves us the way we are unconditionally. Think about that. Not your family, not your friend, not anyone close to you will love you unconditionally. Only the love of God that is there for us, for everyone, unconditionally. Just imagine if only God would have asked us to pay for every breath we take in, for every breath we wake up in the morning for. If only we had to charge this by giving some money or only buying it. Ask yourself, how many people would be alive today? How many people would have afforded that? Right now, wherever I am, if only I was supposed to pay to speak to you right now, for this breath and oxygen that I have free of charge, how would that be? Ask yourself. Just ask yourself. And this is why I want to give this message. And I want to tell everyone and encourage you to love each other unconditionally. Just love everyone unconditionally. Give everyone love. No matter what. I know sometimes it's really hard, but let's just love each other. This is all what God has for us. It's free of charge. Let's just love. Don't love someone because of what he is giving you or what she is giving you. Don't do that. This is wrong. It's not good. It's not nice. And this is not love. Like, really, love is not there because of something conditional. Love is just something that comes automatically from our heart. Let's love each other. Let's love each other with the love of God, because literally that's all that can make ourselves, our lives happy. Thanks for watching me, and see you next time, and stay safe.